Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home?
Thank you.
Oh, nice, huh?
Yeah, then I'm happy.
Thank you.
So it's already a product you get in Philippines?
No, vi ser under vores hus.
Ah, okay.
Og se, det ligner slet ikke det samme, som jeg fik den anden dag.
But did this Sam order fra sidste gang?
Du kan se, at drejen der er slet ikke godt. Den er ikke...
Ja, de er klar, no? Men det stadigvæk smager godt.
Koldt gammel, og nogle bogsusen.
Can you try to request it? So now I'm gonna ask you in the evening time where you're gonna be eating.
Ikke her.
But where? You wanna go back to Olivia then? You said it was so good. Or no, or we're gonna go to the walking, the one you wanted to try.
I think the one we got last night was better than the one I wanted to try.
Really? So what are you thinking?
I'm not thinking anything.
You wanna try it again there? Mine is actually really good. You wanna try it?
Nej. Det er ikke fordi, det er dårligt, jo. Det har ikke, hvad jeg forventer. Jeg forventer det hele, det var varmt, og der var rucola.
I think you're the first customer who ordered for pizza today, so the oven is not ready. No?
That's also what I'm guessing. But they got the place ready, and then they just heat it in the oven.
And then the oven is not warm
The
enough.
normal oven. And of course, that's not normal.
So not there.
It's a guess.
But there's fire on it. There's fire.
Then it don't make sense.
I feel like maybe just
Og det der, det er den der pølse, man får til morgenmad, når jeg har spist alle morgendagene. Det smager fint. Det var bare ikke, hvad jeg forventede.
you just want. Of course, it has to be warm.
Ja, det er snart. Bunden er varm, og det resten er koldt. Jeg hader det. Jeg hader kombinationen. Jeg kan ikke lide det. Jeg hader det. Så du den video, jeg sendte til dig, hvordan han lavede pizzaen? Han bagte bag det som det her med tomatsovs. Så det var det færdigt, så kom man ost og alle de der ting på, og så pakkede han. Sådan så var rammer med ovnen, det er friske ting.
Good.
Jeg tænker, vi skal prøve det.
Where was it? Italy?
The one I sent you before.
I didn't look at it. I have to say, this meat is very good. The rice is...
Undercooked.
No, the rice is actually okay today. But they will always put something in the rice, no? Like, it's not a normal...
Oil or...
Who would have thought we've been sailing in this yesterday? The one in black? Martin, the one in SWAT? That is my workmate Sival look like. My God, this one it got a lot of meat.
A lot of meat.
It could have been nicer if there's more rice.
Varm, den er varm.
Put that here, baby. In here, ba, you don't see so much yellow soup.
Også masser af job at få, ikke?
They plan after space.
Ja.
Well, plan after space.
Skulle du ikke have den taske?
Alright.
Gå til minimarkedet og købe en taske. For hjem og slappe lidt af, så vejret lige kan blive lidt mere ændret, så det ikke er så varmt. Så når vi går derned, så spiser vi aftensmad, køber ind.
Men hvorfor minimart? So ugly. Har du set andre display der?
Så vi går rundt og shoppe efter det.
No, I'm just gonna have a fun. But I think it should be nice to look at the other part. Maybe the price is same. You think or you don't? When we were walking down there, it was like places where there were like task
Der er
luggage.
et sted der.
Yeah, it there also Rakimang daw across. We were going to was Pasha there.
Men jeg siger lige en ting. Jeg tager ikke nogen af de mine ting, skal ikke være den taske, når vi tager til Filippinerne.
Hvad snakker du om?
Den er fælder.
Du er ikke så glad for det.
Ej, jeg er pisse sur. er ikke så sur, at jeg ikke spiser det. Det er ikke fordi, det smager dårligt. Jeg har bare ikke forventet, at jeg smage sådan en. Jeg forventede, at der var varmt. Det er mere, at det er koldt. Jeg hader kolde pizzaer. Jeg kan ikke lide.
But you think there are people who would like to actually have like a pizza like that? Like just cold? Or generally speaking, people will be like, why am I?
You make a carpaccio where it's also cold, where it's also cold. But generally, no.